Okay, hello you guys. My eyebrows are done. They're tattooed, so don't mind them if they're shiny. There's ointment on them to help them heal and not get crusty. But I'm so excited. Thank you, Zara from Zara or Beauty by Zara. They're awesome. Okay, so you guys know I showed you quickly yesterday the 2 wigs that I got from Sassy Misfits. So today I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to Tawny. Tawny is still available on the site, and let's just go over the features of Tawny, okay? She's a 9x6 Indonesian lace. Now this is all hand tied. Take a look at that. Okay, you have, I have hair poking through, I'll fix that. It's completely open wefted in the back and the side. So this will be nice and cool for summer, or for anybody who runs hot. I'm just gonna poke these hairs back through. If you ever get like little hairs sticking out in the back and it's open wefted, you can always just poke them back through if you hold your tongue right. Okay, so there we go. Get that back in there. All right, she has no extended nape, but she does have the, what are these? Yeah, these are hook adjusters that can go into these little tiny pockets down here, whichever's going to make it fit you better. Okay, so you can adjust it. So let's put her on. There is no combs on this one. I'm going to take my tag off because I'm definitely keeping Tawny. Keeping both of them, let's be honest. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's put Tawny on. And I want to show you, you guys, how she fits on my 22-inch circumference. Okay, now again, she has a curl under, which is not my style, but I saw what Misty Dawn did to her Tawny, and that's exactly what I'm going to do to mine, because I prefer it straight down. But okay, this is Tawny, so let's take a look at her from all sides. So here's the front, left, back, right, and front. Gosh, she is so cute. Now that 9x13 or 9x6, okay, so she runs, the lace goes from here to here. So this whole section is lace front that you're going to be able to pull back if you want to. Okay, look at that hairline, actually that's pretty impressive. Okay, now down here she's going to be that solid, but you can see now how she fits me. Okay, so she's just at my ear, perfect, and just at my ear, perfect. Okay, so she's a beautiful fit for a 22-inch. If you're smaller, this, you can size this down with those adjusters in the back too. Okay, now this is that 9x6 like I mentioned. So let's just brush this back. This one kind of came to the left side part, like left to right, but I want to show you that you can do a center, okay, and you can also do a right side part, like right to left if you want, because so many people have different ways they like to wear their hair. You'll just have to do a little bit of heat training with it. But look at that, you guys, it is so cute. Let's just, there's no permatease or anything. So if you want to add some volume, we're going to have to add some heat. So let's do that. But I also want to tell you before I forget, this comes cut. You do not have to cut the lace or ask for it to be cut. It comes cut, okay? So I'm just going to apply a little bit of heat. Let it cool down. I'm going to hold it in front of my fan, let it do some cooling down. And what that does is you've added heat to the fibers, and if you're hanging it upside down and cooling it, it's going to add that lift, and the cooling is what sets it. Okay, so is it cool? Yes. Let's try it and see if it's enough, or if I want to add a little bit more. This cap is so comfortable, you guys. So comfortable. super lightweight. Yeah, she's gonna need a little bit more. Okay, so we're getting there. So let's add a little bit more heat to her. And I'm literally just putting it right where the lace is, okay? And then I'm just gonna pull this down just gently. Look at the color of her. She's gorgeous. That's right in front of a light with the sun shining on it. I'm gonna pull up the details of Tawny here in a minute, but let's hang this in front of the fan. Let's pull up Tawny while we're doing this. And let's see what she says. So Tawny's a premium Futura lace front, 5x6, sorry, I said 9x6, didn't I? Indonesian lace, average cap, so it fits up to a 22. So I'm a 22 and it fits me extremely comfortable, and I think there's a little bit of room for a little bit larger. 110 density, open weft cap with no clips, 10-inch hairline, and it has that pre-plucked hairline as well. So, okay, let's put her on again. I gotta get that piece back out. It doesn't want to stay out. Get out. Behave. Okay, ready? Let's see what she looks like now. I think it fits larger because you have that open wefting, which can hold a stretch to a larger size, especially if you have hair and stuff too. So, oh, she's so pretty. She is really pretty. Does it say what color this is? No, it doesn't. But you guys, she's stunning. She's like a brunette and blonde, like almost like a honey blonde. Okay, now I have my Lange Duo all hot, ready to go. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to the under layer here. And we're going to just give it a bit of a brush. And I better hurry up and do this. My time's running out. I'm just going to run this through. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. We'll see, compare one side to the other quickly here. She's gonna be so pretty, you guys. I can hardly wait. Hardly wait. Don't be afraid to make a wig your own. I saw another girl do a post actually, and I was like, yeah, go girl. Someone was saying like, why are you doing that to your wig? Like, it's a high-end wig. What are you doing? And she's like, I bought it. I'm going to wear it. I'm going to do what I want with it. And absolutely, you guys, these are yours. Make them yours. Love the hair that you're wearing. Okay, see, look at that. It makes it look longer. Okay, I'm going to pause. I'm going to finish this and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got her slightly straightened. And I'm working on getting some lift up here. It's going to take a few extra shots of heat and letting it cool, but what do you guys think? Let's go take a look at Tawny outside. Okay, you guys, here's Tawny in the shade, and then we're gonna walk into the sunshine. Look at that color. Isn't she beautiful? Yeah, so this is Tawny from Sassy Misfits.